Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best of the best in kitchen essentials. Today, we're featuring what might just be the best GE Stove Griddle replacement on the market, the upgraded WB31X24738 Griddle for GE appliance gas range. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just getting started, this griddle is sure to elevate your cooking experience. This high-quality griddle is made of durable, food-grade nonstick aluminum, which makes it both easy to use and easy to clean. The large and flat cooking surface ensures that heat is distributed evenly, so you get perfect results every time. No more unevenly cooked meals, just consistent, restaurant-quality cooking right from your own kitchen. One of the standout features of this griddle is its grease trap. Designed to catch any drippings or scrapings, it helps keep your stove clean and mess-free. This is a feature many overlook, but it's a game-changer when it comes to cooking more efficiently and with less cleanup. The griddle is perfect for everything from making pancakes and toasting sandwiches to warming tortillas and grilling vegetables. What makes this product a true winner is its compatibility with a wide range of GE stove models, particularly the JGB and JGS series, so you can be confident that it will fit seamlessly into your kitchen setup. It's made to fit models like the JGB 660, JGB 700, JGS 760, and many more, which means you don't have to worry about it not being the right size. This griddle heats up quickly and retains heat, making it the perfect tool for cooking larger meals or batch cooking. Whether you're feeding the family at breakfast or hosting a brunch, this griddle can handle multiple dishes at once. It's a great addition to any kitchen looking for convenience, durability, and ease of use. Cleaning is a breeze. Just use mild detergent and warm water to wash it. Avoid harsh abrasives to keep that nonstick surface in great condition, and be sure to dry it thoroughly after cleaning to maintain its longevity. So if you're looking to upgrade your kitchen with the best griddle replacement for your GE stove, the WB31X24738 is the perfect choice. It combines durability, functionality, and ease of use, ensuring you can prepare your favorite meals without the hassle. Make sure to check it out in the link below, and don't forget to subscribe for more great product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time here on Product Critique.